Hi everybody, I'm JT, this is Harry and welcome to another video from us here at Campervan Journey. So today's video is a little bit different and we wanted to introduce you to our latest campervan. We've been saving up for a long time for this one, and we decided that although we've only had our California for 2 years, it was time to buy a new van. Okay, so Harry, do you want to show everybody our latest van? There we go. So we have splashed out and bought the very latest Playmobil Volkswagen camper van. So this is a fabulous piece of kit for anybody who knows Playmobil. It's great quality German toy manufacturer, and somebody in this house has got loads and loads of Playmobil and is a huge fan. So what we're going to do is unbox it, build it, and then go on our first campervan adventure in it.
Yay! And remember, stay tuned to the end of the video to watch my animation.
Okay, so let's make sure we do this right. So we've got to tear it. Do you want to do it, Harry?
Yeah.
Gently tear that down there.
Yeah.
That's it.
Then on the other side, it's quite hard to get your fingers into.
Might need to use the knife. There we go.
Very good thing. Been looking forward to this for months.
Yeah.
One more round.
There we go. So we open it up. We've got, all comes really nicely well organised. It's German, so it would do. We've got the main body, some other bits and pieces here, the wheels and tyres, I guess that's the roof, some other bits, the people, and the bit that nobody ever reads, the instructions.
I read them.
You read them, do you?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so
And stickers.
Let's get cracking.
One thing to say, there are hardly any stickers in this one, so...
Is that a good thing?
Yeah.
So no stickers is a good thing.
Yeah.
Perfect. So
Stickers are a hard thing. There are always so many.
there's always lots of stickers. They're always tricky. So, oh, there are some stickers. Look.
Only a couple.
So let's get this all assembled. Ooh, what's that?
A mirror or something.
So we've just taken all of the pieces out of the packaging, laid them all out, so we're all ready to get started on the kit build. Really love the quality of these Playmobil kits. It's just really nicely put together. Lovely, lovely things. Some really nice details. We've even got on the hubcaps for the van, we've even got, as you can see, the Volkswagen logo on the hubcaps, and even a toothbrush for one of the campers. So let's get putting it together.
Yay!
So we start all the bits. Start with the instructions. So Harry, find page 1.
Yep.
And let's get building. Okay, so page 1, we're going to start with the van itself. We've got the big piece there. We need a sticker to go on. This looks like we're putting in the, okay, so number 3. So, but when they do stick on, it's difficult to take them off again, so you have to make sure that they're all on correctly. So we've done that one. So we're going to do all of those. We've got the little lights to go on the front. Do you want to put the lights in?
Yep.
Upholstery, yes, I think that goes on.
They're usually extremely fuzzy.
And get that done. So I love this sort of, it's got a real 1970s style checker pattern for the upholstery.
Yeah.
Quite tricky this one to get on. There we go.
Again,
So that piece done. And these ones.
I especially like the engines at the back. They're very, very realistic, as you can see.
There you go, all lined up on there.
Yep.
Tricky, tricky, tricky.
Hope we can do this.
There you go.
And another cool thing about it is that once I finish putting these together,
It clips together. It's like going to be like a folding seat.
yep, so you can sleep on it or just sit. It's extremely difficult again.
There you go. Now there's a little exclamation mark on the instruction here, so we have to make sure that we pay attention to that to get that right.
They're really good because
So,
it fits exactly.
okay, so we just had to remove these tiny little hinge bits for the doors. You've got them around the wrong way, so again, just really make sure that they are the right way round. Clip those on. So let's.
I need a bit of help
Okay.
with this
Are you
thing.
going to help with that one?
I think it goes on a bit. It's lost
Oh, that's the
its-
toothpaste.
Yeah.
Okay, so that clips in like that and clicks down. So we've got a proper, fully folding
Door.
camping bed, camping seat. Clips in on this side here. Rear lights.
They're done.
You've done those already. The rear number plate. German number plate on there. For our German camper van. And clip that onto the back. All the engine detail. Of course, a rear engine camper.
Got a little
Done that.
lunchbox there.
So the kitchen and sink area.
Looks like bubble gum and
Only dogs eat toothpaste.
like how a little.
Here we go. So we've got a fold down table and a mirror. Clips on.
Yep. So if you want to have a look in the mirror. Next part. The
A shelf.
shelf that just pops in there now. Where you can put your food or
That's where your bits and pieces all go in there. Let's see. Bottom there.
like that, and
So the wheels.
one problem, you can only fit one thing in at each section.
It's a bit like a real camper van. You always have to
Move
be
things
compact
or
with your
stuff.
stuff that you're carrying, don't you?
But also, when in a bit, then you'll see another place where you can put your stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very cool place too.
Give them a little wiggle to get them on.
Then also you've got another mirror in there. You can put more stuff in just there as well. Our little bathroom area. You can pop in your bathroom stuff. And here's one of our wheels. Now I can start popping them in underneath. Quite simple. You just have to get done with the tricky part of putting the tyres in and then just push it in underneath. It is a bit tricky. And now my toothpaste is just falling out.
There you go, so wheels clip in.
One, two, three, four. Here's the four. Just go a bit. Now it can move without you having to drag it along with a fair amount of noise.
Okay, so what have we got left? We've got the roof. So roof here. We've got the canvas clip-on pop top. Sunroof that slips on. And then the roof rack. Putting all your luggage on. Clips on.
That's another place to put all your stuff.
You've got your suitcase, wing mirrors. You've done one wing mirror, I see.
It's not the best one I can put in, but
quite tricky, aren't they? Quite
complex, especially for these ones.
Those are on. 2 toothbrushes.
2 toothbrushes. You can put those wherever you want. You can
put those
put
in
them
the
into this
bag,
suitcase.
and then what else have we got? We've got cups. What are these? Pillows, I think. Cushions. Pillows, I think.
Pen.
And you can load all the stuff on the roof. So you need to put the doors on.
That's a rather important thing if you don't want
You
to.
want to go around the corner and find that all your stuff's fallen out.
All we have to do is pop in our last remaining bits and bobs.
Oops, I'm going to lose our sardines whilst we...
We've got a very good map here. It shows 2 campsites, lots of rivers, even a bridge and another bridge. And down here, you would have to have extremely good eyes because it's really, really small. It says something. Can't see what though.
There we go.
Right, just come on this side. Then you can pop in your flask of tea or coffee or just normal water or warm juice in the sides. And we also haven't done the front bumper.
No, we can do that. I'll do that now.
And after we finish building, don't go away because I'm going to do a small animation after.
I've got a bonus animation, have we?
Yeah.
At the end.
Oh,
great. So just put the front
Not red.
number
Red.
plate on.
It does have red on it.
There we go.
Just pop on the accessories. Got 2 little plasticky things. So we just grab this, put in our 2 bits.
So those are luggage straps. Stop your luggage from flying off
The top.
as you cruise down the road in your new camper.
Yeah, new T1.
So they use a lash on.
Wagon camper.
So this generation, and there's a little bit of history in the instruction book. Some facts about the iconic van that Volkswagen built its heritage on. So here we go. So T1 camping bus, popular camper van, is ready for any adventure. Fully equipped with seating, a mini kitchen and lots of storage space. So manufactured between 1950 and 1967.
Not a quick
At a
thing.
maximum speed of 95 kilometers an hour, which sounds a lot but isn't a lot.
Nope.
34 PS from the engine, which is nothing. So beautiful little van,
But not very beautiful in speed.
but would take you a long time to get anywhere. That's the whole point. You can travel along, enjoying the view, enjoying the scenery, knowing that when you get there, you're going to have an amazing camping trip.
Then the last thing you have to do is pop on the roof.
Pop on the roof.
Make sure all the doors are locked.
And there we have it. A fabulous T1 camping bus. So if you've enjoyed watching this little video today, a little bit different, then just please remember to hit the button to like and subscribe down below. There'll be lots more videos from us over the summer as we hopefully start to get out and about in our own camper van. And
bring this little beauty with us.
Hopefully, yes, we could take this little one with us on our trips. But this is where
it all started.
Camper vans all started. And this is a lovely little model that Playmobil have put together and really looks great. So we've just got to resist the temptation to play with this one.
What about my animation?
I think this one goes on the shelf.
Except for my animation.
And now over to Harry's animation. Thanks for watching.